In this video, we're going to be building the admin architect. I'm going to show you how to move from being a passive user of AI to an expert engineer. You'll learn how to use Gemini Gems to automate your most repetitive tasks, from newsletters to lesson starters, so you can reclaim your time and focus your energy back on your students. Let's get started. So what exactly is an admin architect? Well, it isn't just about using AI to write a quick email, summarize a long document, or simply generate a list of ideas. It's about building a system. As an admin architect, you aren't just chatting with a bot, you are engineering a specialist assistant, a Gemini Gem in this case, that understands your school's tone, your specific requirements, and your professional standards. Think of it as moving from luck, where you might be undertaking a manual, repetitive, and time-consuming task, just hoping the AI gives you a good result, to logic, where you've engineered the AI to follow your expert lead every single time. As I mentioned, to build our system, we're using a Gemini Gem. If you haven't come across them before, think of a gem as a custom version of Gemini that you've preloaded with your own professional expertise. Instead of starting a blank chat every time and hoping for a good result, you engineer a gem by giving it three things: a role, telling it exactly who it needs to be, like a departmental admin or a parent communications specialist. Secondly, the context, the rules and standards it must follow. And thirdly, a task, the specific output you need every single time. Once it's set up, your gem acts as a 24/7 specialist assistant that already knows your tone and your school's logic and your high standards. Okay, so let's have a look at the admin architect in action. But before we do, let's take a look at a scan of some handwritten notes that I put together at a recent music department meeting. As you can see, they're pretty messy and scruffy. So what I've done, I've uploaded them to my gem. And because the gem knows the logic of our school's professional standards, it doesn't just transcribe them, it engineers them into a formal meeting agenda with a clear action list. So here's my minutes. All good stuff. And here's my action table. And it even goes on to give me some further suggestions. Now, if I wanted to, I could click on these three dots, export to docs, and hey presto, I've got my minutes. Now, I could also do the same for parent communication. Now, I've got a Google Doc just here about an upcoming Year 8 trip to the National Video Game Museum in Sheffield. If you haven't been, do go visit. It's fab. Now, I'm going to give my gem these raw facts. Here we go. I've just uploaded my Google Doc, and it produces a really warm, accessible letter that focuses on the why of the learning and not just the how of the logistics. So if I just scroll down, very clear letter, and this has all been put together by using the logic of this admin architect Gemini Gem. Now that we've seen what the admin architect can do, let's look under the bonnet or at the logic blueprint that makes it work. So here, under instructions, I've preloaded the gem with some specifics. Here we go. Here's the role or the persona. You are the admin architect, a senior school operations specialist. We've got logic rules, the context, and some rules here. Use direct, plain English, avoid complex jargon. And then we've got the output. Now here, I've set up this gem so that it can deal with parent letters, meeting records, and I showed you both of these in the demo, but also assessment. Now, I really encourage you to take these instructions and make them your own. Adjust these logic rules to fit your specific school context or your unique role. Use my instructions as a basis for your own. By moving away from generic prompts and towards these engineered systems, we ensure that the AI works for us, providing a reliable foundation for our daily professional work. So if you'd like to use or have a go at adapting the Admin Architect, you can access it using the link below this video. Now, once you've used it at least once, it'll appear in your Gem Manager under Shared with Me. Now, to get to the Gem Manager, you just go to Gemini, and if this menu is slightly to the side here, click on the hamburger, and you've got these gems, and it'll take you straight to your Gem Manager. Now, once you've found it in this list, as I said, it'll be under Shared with Me, you can click on the three little dots and you can press Make a Copy. You've then got a version which you can tailor for your own role or share it with your colleagues. While the Admin Architect is a powerful engine for efficiency, it still requires your expert oversight. Think of this gem as a highly skilled assistant, not a replacement for your professional judgment. First, you must know your context. AI lacks institutional memory. You might need to add some logic, like I mentioned a few minutes ago, adapt it for your own personal circumstances. And finally, and really importantly, always review and refine any AI output. It's brilliant at structure, but it can miss the nuances of a situation. We aren't just automating tasks, we are engineering professional capacity. That means the final architect verification must always come from you. As I mentioned, you can find a link to the gem in the video description. But if you found this video useful, please do share it with others to help them engineer their daily routine. I'm AI Theory Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.